turns out horrible. It was paint that I was probably just gonna let dry out. These actually look really good together. I'm gonna swatch these because they will look different when they're dried.
We are going to be renting the house, and normally I would just paint it all white, but we're trying to save money, and this is a very big house, so it's gonna need a lot of paint. We're gonna decide if we can use these colors with the cabinets. I've got some early 2000 color schemes going here with the yellow and the red. Here are the swatches on some white tile. This is the green, here is the blue, and that's the purple. I'm honestly thinking about going back to the mixing room and mixing up something else that's a more neutral tone, because I just feel like people don't want colors in a rental. But am I wrong? Should I just paint it these colors? You gotta let me know. Would you prefer a rental that had more color in it?